comment just so I can make sure y'all hear me before I continue? Put back the comments, one of our moderators. No? Y'all can hear me? Okay, boom. That's all I needed to think. So then he literally was just like, he gonna tell her the next day that the police gonna call her, whatever. So as I said, now everything unfolds. He said that he ends up telling her the truth, right? He ends up telling her the truth. So I looked at it as like, if you a woman and a man is saying like, you know what, I did link this girl. Because remember, as I said, he came to me. I never knew this man. It's not like I seen him in the street, I seen him on the road or nothing. Never knew this man from nowhere. He had somebody call me. So it was, as I said, it was, y'all want to say I'm gullible, naive, whatever. Anybody could do that, especially if a guy is cashing out and spending money. Like, who's not gonna, you feel me? Like, we just being real. So now when everything unfolded and I realized she has a bullying tactic, I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna take that route. One, she came on here. The first thing she had to do was she did her research, because I think he told her that he was with her. He was only with me for 2 months, but I think eventually he told her he was actually with me for 6 months. You did your research as a woman. You realized, because there was another thing going around saying that I wanted to be her, and it's like, oh, if you want to be someone, you take their man. Clear as day, I never knew nothing about her. So that narrative, out the window, right? So my thing is, if a guy comes to you, hence, y'all see me on live all the time. I never was talking about nobody. And the days that I did do a little 1-2 word is because they was on my name for months. She came on here talking about my shape. Y'all know, as a woman, I don't talk about people's shape and what they look like or nothing, because people go through things, right? I have friends that struggle with PCOS. So guess what? Your weight goes up and down. I have friends who died from cancer. Your weight goes up and down. I don't talk about woman body because we all go through things. That is something that I advocate about. That is something I always talked about on my page. That's why I said when I was fat, I always made sure I carried the confidence. And when I lost weight, I still had the same confidence. I didn't have to go out and do surgery to make myself feel better. I would have been crazy if I came on here and said, oh, a bitch did her body 10 times. I should shape like I'm blood clot, been up jackfruit, or spoiled jackfruit.
That's
I didn't do that. I could have did that. You doing lip fillers and all type of shit to make yourself feel good because you're an ugly person inside. Mm-hmm. You came for me for months. You had people teaming up, bullying. Mm-hmm. And then when you see me hanging out with Jada, you know what you did. Boom, let's talk about that, because I have a recording of that too. Now, the Jada story. Y'all trying to come for my friend, and she had nothing to do.
And that's a lie, guys. Don't know about the Jada right? story. Don't know something in the car, nobody. Oh my God, man.
Jada was... Me and Jada been cool for years, okay?
Guys, don't know the Jada story.
Jada searches my name, hence she said it on a live. She was looking to buy it back from me, which she did. She was looking to buy it back. She said she's seen a whole bunch of Mixup, right? So... I think she ends up coming on my live. We go on live with Junior. We just talking, yada, yada. She's like, Meech, I don't like seeing you and the type of shit. And I'm like, you know, you're right, whatever, brushed under the thing. The next day, which is why a lot of y'all, sometimes y'all have to read before y'all jump in. And sometimes that makes me know, like, a lot of y'all really need to go back to school. Mm-hmm. Because Jada said,
are you fuck Nick? And Nick
there was a resurfaced video, not an old video. Meaning... the bloggers and the reporters and all that ended up twisting back up the video that was said about the other girl she was talking to, right? Jada never seen that old video. A lot of people didn't see that old video.
Nobody see the video because guys, I remember when everything did just happen, when me a cuss, I mention, me cuss the person named Jada and I'm a chat, that she referred to, and I try to make it look like say Jada, I'm still a talk, even though that gone how long now.
Days pass. I see Jada go on and curse her. I call Jada, because then I seen somebody send me like, damn, she crying. I actually felt bad. Y'all can ask Jada. I actually felt bad for the girl. So I called Jada. I said, Jada, why are you doing that? I said, I don't need nobody to fight my battles, whatever. Before you know it, the man called me. He's like, you see? No, you have Jada out there.
You're still
Jada, I try to call the girl. Say, I apologize.
You're sending man how much things with pops in an Airbnb and book tour. Not book talk, I mean book talk in an Airbnb. You send a man how much things with pops. So contact, hurry up and talk about book tour too. Hold on, guys, because this is about me. This is not about the man. This is about me. Hold on.
I said, you know what? Jada's my friend. Let me call her. I'm going to call Jada. Jada's like, Meech, me a war with blood clot lady. this bigger people. Why am I afraid for that the girl there? She's like, me at 18, I'm at war with big people. Why am I afraid of that the girl there? She's like, the bitch is looking for me. So then they send me. Wait there. They send me a thing. Hold on.
Morning. Sorry for involving in this foolishness. But me not know nobody else when know Jada. We can explain the situation to her properly. So here's an old video on TikTok.
And I send that to Kai.
In my chat.
Kai.
When me run away with the name Jada. That video when me show you, it's old. It's from about 3 weeks now. It's true that Jada did it, and she stand by Meech girl and already dip on the live. The people in my involved Jada now to make it look like say I have a problem with Jada. I've never said anything about Jada. Me not know why they must say me say nothing bad about her. I just want you to tell her like I never said anything. So I diss the people in want. I never.
When we go around, guys. When we go around.
If you can send her the voice note.
I know the man you send this to Kyle. If the hairdresser. Kyle. We send this to Kyle. Kyle. Kyle will do me head.
She me talk to me and I not have anything. Me see her on the internet I done me, but me and her not have nothing. I never came on TikTok and said anything about her. I mean not. Yeah, me and her not have nothing. Me never come on TikTok to say nothing about her or nothing at all. So me not know where all of this come from. Me not know where she a talk about. Me know one screen record out where them kind of where them switch and make it look like say me say something about her. And then post it now to make it look like I was talking to her.
So she knew the video resurfaced, which is what Jada beef was, because she was like, I think she said she ended up seeing that she liked the video. Mind you, she said that everything was old. She just said on this, she seen the resurfaced video. That was that beef. That beef didn't have nothing to do with it. But they was trying to make it seem like, oh, I'm ganging up to bully her. Jada problem was, she said that Caviidoon saw the video and she literally did not say nothing. She ended up liking the video when she know that it was a resurfaced video. So if you know it was resurfaced,
why
you have to say like, yo, you want to see something. It's not about you.
Why me need to send on a man attack or your friend?
Happened. So she came on here crying, acting victim like she know.
I am a victim for two. Because the girl did a blood clot, bad me up. Me's a victim and me and the girl not have anything. The hell?
I was coming for Jada when
me did a
she knew what she
victim.
was doing. So anyway.
The fuck? Me never did girl no.
What else?
Me didn't talk to her, me and I know no beef. So how she thinks she me attack? All call Jada name, come on. Come on, be for real. Be for real. Be for real.
No, what are y'all confused about? She literally, the video was old, but it resurfaced. Do y'all know what resurfaced mean? And I think this is why a lot of y'all could not understand at that time, because y'all don't know. Resurface mean you could take something from the past and bring it back up to light now. And this is why a lot of the times y'all don't understand what be transpiring, because y'all reading is fundamental and understanding words very fundamental. It literally said from day one. So anyways, y'all was coming for her. I never told Jada to think. As I said, they were saying that she was hunting down, and you could see she was calling people trying to get in contact with Jada.
No, Jada asked for my number, sis. All I did was send guys. All I did was send a message to Jada. Me not on for Jada number. Me and Jada on the side. Jada a celebrity. Me is a beggar. Jada a celebrity. Jada was the one who asked Kyle for my number. I never called Jada. What is something to do with Jada? Making this about Jada. I don't even give a fuck about that shit. Fuck that shit. Talking about me,
so at the end of the day, if that's the tea that you could have came up with to make yourself feel better about yourself, that is on you.
Okay,
walk around, you hate everybody. Get in mind, right?
Jesus Christ, I get a lie.
Because you kept crying. When everything filled out, his friends was gifting me on here. She was crying, calling, and they.
I want somebody. Me call when gift you that was Jigga. One person. Jigga call you because him did a look pussy. Meech, stop it. Remember say you fuck most of the man friend them. Remember say it's a pass round donkey. When you go on road with the man friend them fuck you if you're available. Stop making it about me. It's about Nicholas and me and you. You move on, you have a man at your yard where you're moving where you're mine. Stop making it about me, sister. You have a man where you're moving. Stop making it about me and you. It's not about me. You bet you done it bumbo clock, man. And me beg him to give back the money what they and tell him how me shame. Guys, me tell him how me shame. People know say he take money from the girl. And no say I don't want the girl. Me pain my heart. Me not like them sitting there, guys. You know say you take the girl money, you know you don't want the girl. At Christmas, me know about the girl. When me know me should have tell me say she should have borrow 100 blood clot grand. And no pay back. I swear upon me 2 penny them. Me not have no time for that. Me not ball. I saw me soul when me upset. I saw me soul when me upset because this bitch is making it about me and her, and it's not about me. And it's not about her. It's about the man who tell a lie. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. I should have 100 grand. Because you're too fucking wicked. And I bet you say from today you not get $1 more. You not clap no teeth on the man. You know what I man business. All me tell the man, you know, me say you see when this go pan pink wall, and me she go combo. She not go combo the man. Me say me our problem. Me and that girl a problem. Me a 25K problem. Me a 25K problem. That's why when she come up, them bust it up, she couldn't come and talk about the man. You have to talk about me. When me do your girl? When me do your girl? I'm gonna lie to you, me never lie to your girl. Me not post no blood clot man pan the media. So what the man do me there? What the fuck me a post man pan the media for? That don't make no sense. And then they'll come talk about nurse. And then they'll come talk about, and you don't have no proof about nothing we are talk about.
The flyer, right? And I said to him, I said, bro, if I come over here, y'all gonna cause problem. He's like, no man, me no think said, don't I go. They get with me, I said like, he's basically like, he's like, just come sure, give me our strength, sure love. I said, you're sure? He's like, yeah, if you wanna shoot in ghost mode. I said, I'm not going through all of that. I said, if I'm gonna come show love, I'm gonna come show love.
Bitch,
he's like,
who
right,
gives a
good. So I go over there.
All right,
I show
guys, we don't talk.
love.
Guys, I
mean,
don't love she show. You see, on my birthday, everybody knew. Let me calm down. Calm down, Cabell. Articulate yourself properly. Your sound done screaming. That's why these people think them brighter than you, because you scream. When it was my birthday, guys, my thing said done. My thing said done. She did only get 7K out of, I think she only got 7K. First of all, it's 20K. 5K was her buying tickets for him to fly all over the fucking country. Right? That's what he said. 25K was him buying her buying tickets for him to fly all over America. Right? All right, then fine. Cool. All right, then. The 20K was what he borrowed from him when him in a problem. When him in a problem. Him saying, tell her a problem. She offered to pay 25K. All right, then cool. 25K come. Him say, friend, get the 25K. Go the one. She let him want. She want him left me. The man a wicked to you know, the man hate me. Him not like me. Him hate me. Him not like me either. Granted, him hate me. Me know that. But I'm a baby father. Him hate me. Me just sorry me give my daughter. I love my daughter. Me sorry Emmy wasn't a jacket. Me no put my mouth a ground and talk. Me sorry Emmy wasn't a blood clot jacket. All right, then fine. All right. She get the 25K. When him get the 25K, that's when everything start. That's when she start to control him. Him say, me no believe the man. Me no believe man. Me no listen to man. Me and anybody know that. Me no listen to man. Me no listen to man. Man could have tell me dee-da, re, te, ta, tom. Him borrow give the man, she lend the man the 20 grand. And then when everything mash up, hold on guys, me I go on my next page. Hold on. Going on my big page. Cause him come and I report the live and now me I go on my big page. Cause you want more clothes. You depend mine here before you address the man who borrow your money. Sister, I didn't borrow your money. It was the nigga. You say me cheap, I say all the things about me never borrow your money. Remember, say the man. The man trick you. The man tell you say he hate me. Him tell you all sort of things. And him know say him can't do without you. You make me thief in daddy come trick you too. You make me daddy come chop you too. And me daddy a chop you come go like say accomplishment to know my father. You don't know the man father. You know my father. That not sound like a chop. You get chop. You tell me say you know my father, and you don't know, and you not thinking in your head say in your head in your skull. You make me daddy come from Jamaica come chop you. Can I eat with you? My father chop. My father not afraid for chop a blood clot girl or a boy. Cause you idiot. But the problem I'm have with your baby girl, you're not focused on the man, you focus about me. Guys, wanna come from my other page. When your focus is not about the man, your focus is about me. And I hate that for you. Because the man is a master manipulator. Him is a wicked. And I didn't know that Nicholas was a secret narcissist. He's a wicked. Because me tell Nicholas this all the time. You're going like you cannot do without me. But still all of your friends them hate me. And it's because of what you tell them. Your mother hate me. Your friends hate me. Everybody hate me. And it's because of what you tell them. And since you're there with me, all your life do is go up. Because when me there with you, I rent car. And I say you can't do that, baby. Me could buy a under. When I take up Nicholas, people go like say money me I look for Nicholas. I take up the man, me not take up the man with nothing. Me not afraid for that, nothing. Nothing me not take up with the man with. Nothing. Rental. No house. No nothing. No nothing. No nothing. Nothing. I'm a breed for the man right then and there. Cause me have feelings to the man. Me grow for love the man. Me grow for love the man, but guess what? Him go always beat me. So when me and the man have problem, I don't know me stay. We talk me like a shit them and show me like a shit them and you get what I say? I'm not afraid for chat. No kept in my rap. No girl have no secret for me. No kept in my rap. That's when me know about the money. Me no kill this girl, guys. Me never know about no blood clot money. Cause I agree with no girl, no man. As bad as things be, as much as how I don't like her, me no agree with man that take girl money. Me no agree with man that take girl money and don't want them. Me no like them sitting there. They say their wickedness. But bless you, we come for me and me pity. Me don't agree with them carelessness there. So much money. How you have to take so much money and the whole of your friend they know say you not have dollar to pay back. And chop, everybody chop you. The whole of them know say Nick do not have it to pay you back. The most him can do is give you 2 grand like a chum change. They know say you not have it figure back next week. A liar tell. Because even the one, Bali, you call Bali and ask him if you left him with the money. And him say yes. And that's why you and him fall out. Come here, go mix up all on the bumbo clot now. Yeah. So stop making it look like say you get back the money, girl. And when you start and say when I mention about my mother and my father, and that's when Nick give you the money, give the other money. Him they give you 7 grand and a 20 grand him borrow from you. The other 5 grand you buy it in a tickets. Cause him love take send me this and me send it back. You been buy the ticket for go to Vegas and buy film ticket to a whole heap of ticket you buy. So I don't know why you come front and lie. And you will buy your things and we send a rose. But when you talk to him buy you, he did not buy you. You have to come and show when him buy them. Because him don't have it. Him don't have it. So stop going like him did have it. And you know him never have it. Him friend them tell because all of them chat him. Make on the whole on the move on a dirty blood clot. Big up. Me can't even call some of the people that rate them because I like crowd and I don't want nobody come mix up in this. Anyone at the man, such man friend I rate big up on a bumbo clot self. But someone for move on a dirty blood clot. You're a pastor and donkey come go like you're a blood clot somebody. I true him an idiot make them hand off to him. Because nobody no want you. If one of them fuck you and hide you. Them not par with you. Thank you. Them not par with you. Them not even tell us that them fuck you. Them a hide you. Talk about how much of the man friend them you fuck. You talk about Nick trick on niggas that trick on me. You just meet man and your blood clot fly out man can man a curaco. Pay for ticket. My baby, no I don't do Rosa Parks. Hold on guys, I told me can blood clot find the things them you know. Oh my baby know that I don't do Rosa Parks things. I don't do Rosa Park. I don't do Rosa Park. You put man first class, carry them a curaco, move them in your blood clot house. Cause man done pan blood clot you. That's time I tell yourself, stop make it about blood clot me. Make it about the fucking thiefing man or thief your money. It's not about me. Me never thief your man. Me never fuck your man. And me never thief your money, girl. Wanna come make man and my people them chop you because you're idiot and you're gullible. And that you do with rich people. Because you come and put up this rich persona, so you're rich. You show my father, you can't show the man father, you can't show the man mother. You can't show my father. And what you want me to cry? What you want me to do? Cry? Vex with daddy? I man me vex with, because I man I respect my people and for bring them round blood clot. Knows not like you. You say me cheap? Well, at least me enough with one friend, well, I have friend enough for fuck me all. At least me not for pay a man for fuck me. I'll be a cheap bitch any day. More than for pay a man for fuck me. I'll be a cheap bitch. You say me drink? Okay, so what? If me there with a bumbo or wicked man like Nick, me no must blood clot drink. If me there with a wicked blood clot house enemy like blood clot, me can breed for him. And realize that me fuck up, me no must drink. But the blood clot want me to go buy a pound of rope and hang. I drink bitchin'. Me no must blood clot drink. If me there with a blood clot house enemy like blood clot, Nick will hate me and make him whole and friend them things to me are worse. Me no must hate him. For disgrace me every day upon TikTok. Everybody will know me never do no bumbo clot not like this yet. From the know me upon TikTok. Never did no weird ass shit like this. I feel I come over here and I clear up no bumbo clot fuckery. This shit is so fucking stupid. Me not know what the fuck me there do. This shit is so dumb. But me hear when people tell lie upon me. You come about me know your address. What the fuck me forget the address from, girl? More than your big pussy friend them send me a number. You know say girl them, you fuck them friend them. Girl them carry around on the friend them and you fuck. And your friend them send me a blood clot number and tell me about the friend them in our crew where you fuck. Yeah, come talk about nurse. And you know say people, some of your friend them not like you. And they say them cut you off because your pussy not no principle. At least me fuck for something. But you grown people and smile at their face and fuck them man behind them back. Me not talk about my man. And then you come talk about nurse. Cause stinking girl. Like man tell her that and play by snout and the man say nothing like that. Girl, stop make it about me. And as I've told them, me done with blood clot you too. You and the man can go suck out to no mama. Brawling. Fuck out of here. Suck out to the mama to me tired of bumbo clot. When the disgrace on the cost for my bumbo clot. Me and my pitney them too. Go suck out to the mama. Me no want the boy. I don't need to come get him out of the blood clot place too. And I hope by the time he gone, him left all Emmy with Jada and blood clot get the fuck out. Cause when I say, oh, him can't put me, tell him to put my bumbo clot out. When I love talk, say him could have put me out and me. Say me move out of that blood clot and show when I say, me can't do that myself. In a weeks, I could do that shit myself. I don't need no fucking nigga. And Nick can't put me out and no. Cause Nick no value nothing himself. And me add value to man life. Man no add value to my blood clot life. Nick no add no value to my life. The only value add a blood clot, them the fuck do no. When I come, cause when I love come run with a narrative, and put out even them people them. When I go suck out to no mama, man can't put out me. The fuck? Man can't put me out, but not Nick. He can't put me out of nowhere, cause I'm not own nowhere himself. Me have name in a fire, Nick now a blood clot name in a fire. Time fuck for come put me out. Cause you keep secret for man. I say you know all when man deal with no like dog shit and nose not and left you and all left him woman, when you still a pick up the blood clot man. Cause when a man take man go, man nose not and blood clot go suck your mother girl. I want to see if you spit in your face like how Ziggy spit in a slime blood clot face on TikTok. Go suck out your mother girl. Fuck out of here. Yeah, well I'm a blood clot Fred. I want to see a Jamaica for kick you in your pussy. Suck your mama girl. And none of your man because you keep on call up my bumbo clot name. More know one day a Jamaica for step in your blood clot pussy. I don't care if this one upon blood clot TikTok. Go suck out your mother. Big pussy. And stop walk and fuck. And begs when you fuck out. And not nobody. Yeah, you like a big blood clot stinking man when you move in a house. You like a 25-year-old you go move in one day. Yeah. Because you can't get for me big blood clot either if you compare your rent. Oh, you think me they go put him out if you compare your rent. I want to pay mines. Him need for pay mines. And I'll be surprised if you don't see him still come over here so. Because me need my bills them for blood clot pay. And I don't know go stop my blood clot show. I'm not care where them want talk say. Because when I style them, I go style up back your dirty blood clot. Oh. You play with your mother, not blood clot me. None of you not like me. Because suck out to no mama. Guys, put on back comments to me, please. Yeah, talk about how no one do and when me I go do. I mean, I step one step in your pussy stinking, girl. Yeah, I can't talk about drink rum. No drink rum if you there with this a big bumbo clot wicked man. Me no must drink rum if you there with this a wicked blood clot man who hate me. I'm not even like him blood clot self. No una man like a phone light and salvation. Man a my light and blood clot salvation. Move your dirty blood clot to 25k spend for me and I get back no more. Go suck out your mother. Him owe you about 10 grand, go suck out your mother and I get more. Me sorry you never borrow 50 or 100. I come over here, come send my friend them to bumbo clot lion and the things them. Go suck out your mother again. Move your dirty blood clot. Go suck out your mother. Let do angle. I involve people. Angle your one war. Stop angle and stop involve me in your blood clot man problem them. Angle Nick. In blood clot never choose you. Angle him. Come in and know what the fuck you kill up yourself over blood clot Nick like man don't pay you. Man don't pay your blood clot. You come angle me over my baby father. Move your dirty blood clot. You think me come up with, hey, my father, hey, move your dirty blood clot. Yeah, I wouldn't mind him come out by the time I reach at the blood clot house. I wouldn't mind. When me reach there, him come out. Guys, thank you now. I wouldn't mind him gone. I swear upon me too pity them. Me tired of you. You nah get back no more. Go suck out your mom. I go use to pay my bills. I have bills to blood clot pay. Boy, y'all and people man blood clot 25 grand. That's two blood clot lie. We're gonna drive go over the house now. Me and Uno. Go suck out your mother girl. No, me I go come back when me reach over. Go suck out your mother girl. Most of the things I'm responsible blood clot. When you come by man, if you address man and the money where your blood clot lend man, you come by me and you come with receipt. With man a talk on screen record. Him with him like a big pussy bumbo wall. Me say I could have kick all him in a blood clot. I would have just beat up him blood clot when I go in. Cause I'm there with a man like him. Can make me a fear wear blood clot underpants. Me feel like kick up him bumbo clot. Cause him only have strength for me to beat me. Him not no strength for uno. Him can't angle you. Me see long time saying can't angle you. Can chat you with me. Me know that long time. Saying chat you with me. But when I chat you, you should have tell us how him beat up my bumbo clot. And you should have tell her how him do your ex too. Make you know say my blood clot wicked. Oh, him should have tell her how him do your ex. Him ex. Oh, so him come there, come go like him a portion of man. Yeah, him pay blood clot bills and so what? Him not supposed to pay and I live there. Him not do me no blood clot favor, him live there. Him supposed to pay the bills. Him and him daughter live there. I mean, I walk, I'm in a style man like this, guys, but when I have a man with a bumbo clot wicked. When I have a man with a bumbo clot wicked, guys, thank you no. What the fuck me fi do? And imagine a wicked pussy hole like this is a my baby father. Imagine a real big pussy hole like this is my baby father. I don't care what she wants to say about body. I don't no body argument with her. I don't no body argument with no girl. I don't say what you look like already. Work with that. Guys, thank you so much. God bless you. But don't tell you what you look like already. Work with that. I know me make you have to take up 25-year-old and mind them. It's not me. I know my fault. I know me make you take up a blood clot 330-pound man and mind them. We have them woman and them pitney. Young pitney live with. When me come from foreign, you cannot blood clot talk to the man in the house. You know say a blood clot through me attack. Girl, go suck out your man. They're too blood clot like wicked. You're too lie and wicked. I want thing about me no kept no day in my blood clot rap. I me no like some of them girls can go suck out them mama. Me no like them. So what? You talk about man, baby mother, them, me no like how much. Look how much of my blood clot gift that them have money. Look how much blood clot friend I have over pan shell, pan blood clot. Pan the girl them up on the app when me and them a friend look good and things are going for blood clot them. So me no like certain girl is a problem. When I go suck out to the mama, me no like you know what the big deal. If me no like someone, what's the big problem? Cause me big pan energy, if me feel so no blood clot like me nothing wrong for say me no like on a first. So what's the big deal? I mean, I go be first guy. I no like nobody. I no want them around me picking the argument done. I no want them in my space. Is that so wrong to not want people in my kid's space? For you as a big blood clot, big back bumbo wall, go sit down and chat with your big pussy girl. Where your friend them fuck. Nose not. Handkerchief. In a man pocket. Where them pass, give them friend. Wipe your face. Move your dirty blood clot. Them can't say me fuck, but me no fuck out. And a man friend no fuck me. Me and a groupie. Move your groupie blood clot. You have money and still a groupie. Move your dirty blood clot, girl. Your mama hate you. But you say me a junk, you know your mama a junk anyway. Because the man tell me say your mama a junk. Remember say man a wicked. The man tell me what they say your mama a junk. Your man tell me say your mama a junk. The man tell me say your mama is a blood clot junk. And you say you may have house at Atlanta. And you know say your mama man there in a bumbo clot house. And the man tell me. The man tell me say him no like your bumbo clot. Cause when him a borrow your money, you have to ask him friend. You have to ask your friend them first. Which is the man friend. So basically she have to call the man them near. She have to say to the man say, Bali, you think I should lend Nick this? Him not fuck you, so we are ask him for. Through the friend them a fuck you have to ask the friend them first. Huh? How that look? You say a your man, where you ask the man friend them for? You know run the blood clot money, give the man make him come buy something to me and blood clot, Emmy. Yeah, come talk about where you pick out close to Emmy. Move your dirty blood clot. You say Emmy hot girl, Emmy a star from birth. You have to pick out close to the star. Or suck your mother girl. My father never get a blood clot ask you put on the road for you. I'm sorry. Him there tell me say my father no. My father talk to everybody. If Nick came around the blood clot people, them where the fuck you want him do? Him talk around the wall like Nick came around the wall and friend him where the fuck you want him do? You know nobody at Atlanta. You know must blood clot. Kiki. Get off it blood clot pea soup fry you. And pussy will like you when sister can chop. You know must chop you. Or ethnic chop you. I remember you did pay for the hotel them. That's why you want back the money. Cause at 20 grand in bar fry you not 25. So the fuck you want him for do? Him not for do him for bumbo clot though. Go suck your mother girl. You think you can cause no problem in my family life? Go move your dirty blood clot. All I go on in this side, the dirty thinking man, me come would I never bring him parents them around. Nothing like this. And the dirty stinking man me hate. Come would I never bring him parents them but run nothing like this. Nothing. I would have never do it. A dry eye. And you sick my stomach. And you licky no bumbo clot. And thief. But you don't have to pay her back. No give her no more. Not $1 more. Go suck your mother, girl. Not $1 more. But I cheap. Me no must cheap. You go let my blood clot have it. You go like say, man no tell me say you have a blood clot second. The second is the money person. And your blood clot is the face of the brand. Go suck out your mother. Me they think a thief, your thief. But I never thief, your thief. And your friend are the face of the brand. And you is the blood clot runner. And you run and go find the deals. Them because I used to work at Louis Vuitton. And the friend money you borrow give the man. The man blood clot. Tell me move your dirty blood clot, girl. I never have no time for hear out your business. Because that nothing to do with blood clot me. Because I spend any amount of money and shit out here and go do body. Move your dirty blood clot. Boy, bad mind man friend. Bad mind bumbo clot. Suck your mother, girl. Guys, thank you. You go like a year money. Rich bitch of the blood clot here. Look cheap. Me have to look cheap because my body do and look good. You have to wear their clothes because your blood clot shape like SpongeBob. Anytime you picture they look good when you edit it. You can't go so. No blood clot. You have some girl when body no do, well look good no blood clot. But you love talk about body and you don't have a chick or a child look like you have 10 pitney. Move your long breast bumbo hole. Move your bumbo clot. You don't have a chick or a blood clot child. You come tired about girl body bend up like breadfruit. Look at your blood clot mouth where you twist up like old boot. And you have the audacity to talk about me. I feel a bitch, me I go do everything. Plastic till the blood clot, they may die. And the move mind if I could have give the man one next bumbo clot 50 grand. Me go do my headline because he dry no blood clot. See there? You want do. You want bald. Me want blood clots. So want some blood. Me want stitching some ear in it. Me would mind. You would have lend him some more money. Me go stitching some ear in my blood clot head side. Go suck your mother stinking girl. Move your dirty blood clot. Yeah, you look a freak at the blood clot. Yeah, the man match. You don't move on a dirty blood clot. Come off of this. Move your dirty blood clot. Suck good girl. Move your little gaggle balls, bumbo clot. I'll body plate a lick out. Your blood clot. Move on. You know, say by all the man blood clot friend tennis bracelet for his birthday. Tennis base set up by blood clot. And the man left you wealthy and look. You're not even wealthy because your blood clot second money I use. Move your dirty blood clot. You go like you have pin and spend because you're not supposed to wealthy. Where the blood clot you have? You don't even have a blood clot shit. But man there yard for 2 months. He's supposed to there yard me ain't fuck him. In this if you fuck me, cause me ain't fuck him. From realize him did fuck me did stop fucking my pussy did lock, dry up lock. Ain't fuck. You did have to fuck the man because me ain't fuck the man. You're supposed to come fuck him right now for me because he in the house now get no pussies. Or me don't know if I get pussy, but him now get mines. So you need to come suck him wood. Would mind you come blood clot fuck him for me. Me not have to do it. You talk about me, I talk about Big Good. So what wrong with Big Good? You go like we don't want Big Good to stitch up a bumbo clot. That's how candidate say chat. Bust it up and stitch it up. The fuck? Move on a dirty blood clot. Move on a dirty blood clot. Every day only come bomb a blood clot pussy tongue like I did one wally and suck you out like blood clot ramens. Go suck your mother big pussy girl. Go suck your mother girl. Every day you come bomb before you come bomb the man will buy you 25 blood clot $1,000 and spending money to do my body. Move your dirty blood clot mash mouth bumbo wall. When you talk a be a sod your mouth so can be a coming in your throat. Move your dirty blood clot. Him did have to fuck for me because me not suck you would and do the things them. Me not fuck. Me not the house all long and fuck and it's a kill me bumbo clot. And me a wall out because me not fuck the boy. Oh, so him supposed to fuck for me. Oh, him just need to fuck for somebody who could have hold them blood clot mouth. Oh. And when me a fuck girl man, me know when to shut up. And me know when to him. And when them a call them woman, me know if you shut the fuck up. But you on the other hand, you're delusional, no bumbo clot. But you don't know about me and you watch out the whole of my TikTok. Go suck your mother big pussy girl. Stink like shit. Come out, goggle bars, bumbo wall. Lady friends.
Take care.
Yeah.